Hello, this is Dan Benek and Sam Lartone from Treasury Partners Portfolio Management Team. We're back with another edition of the month that was in equity markets. Sal, can you tell us what you saw over the month of July?
Yeah, sure. I mean, the economy continues to show resilience against potential shocks, including we've had 3 years, Dan, of elevated interest rates and, certainly a lot of tariff related news and volatility. But going forward, the benefits of deregulation, onshoring, and now the full expenses of capital expenditures, those will all be tailwinds for economic growth going forward. A lot of tension about the Federal Reserve leadership transition. We think Fed independence is important. It boosts confidence for the U.S. dollar, provides stability for the U.S. Treasury market. So, we want Fed independence for sure. Equity markets made new all-time highs in the past couple of weeks. The Mag 7 continue to lead. They've had impressive earnings, impressive free cash flows. The AI tailwind is just in the early innings, Dan, and large cap tech should benefit the most from the AI trade.
And we've been talking about this for months, Sal, but I mean, that the entire theme just really keeps rolling and rolling and really showing its resilience throughout earnings quarters, including with this past earnings season, right, Sal?
Right, absolutely. Yeah, earnings were very strong. Profit margins were strong. The Mag 7 have performed from an earning perspective, but of course it leads to the next potential issue is valuations. Valuations are elevated, but such a large component of the S&P is now these large cap stocks that the large cap techs with their stability of earnings, their free cash flow generation, their strong profit margins, and now leverage towards this AI trade, they should command a higher multiple, and that lifts the overall S&P multiple higher. So, the combination of declining inflation, continued growth, and stability of interest rates, that's a trifecta of positives that support the market. In the AI trade and the ecosystem that's surrounding that AI trade, they're just in the early innings. So a lot to look forward to, Dan.
Makes sense to me, Sal. I mean, the large mega cap techs, they're upwards of a third of the S&P 500 now. So they have been driving the index for years. They look to be set to continue to drive it, even at their huge size at this point. So it's exciting times.
Sure is.
Well, thanks again for joining us, and please look out for our video on the fixed income markets, also recapping what we saw over the past month. Thank you.
Thanks.